Hey there friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit clip speed in CapCut. So I've got a short clip here that I'm going to drag over into my timeline, and if I play it, you can see it plays smoothly. But I'd like to increase the speed a little bit, and to do so, all we have to do is navigate to the Inspector tab here at the right hand side at the top right, and then click on the Speed tab. Here you can adjust the speed and you'll be able to see its duration as well. So if we make it faster, the duration has decreased. And if we reduce the speed, the duration has increased. So you can also adjust a target duration. Let's say I need this clip to last exactly 15 seconds. It is going to adjust the speed to compensate automatically. Let's go ahead and play it, and it looks quite smooth. You can also adjust it using a curve, although if you're on the free version, this has limited uses. So that's how you can adjust the speed for clips in CapCut. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.